Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your AGI, your adjusted gross income, on TurboTax for 2025. Whether you need it for e-filing, tax forms, or just to double check your numbers, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to locate your AGI without any confusion. First things first, let's access TurboTax. Open your browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Keep in mind, TurboTax may ask you to verify your identity via email or phone, so have that handy. After logging in, you'll land on the TurboTax home screen. From here, select the 2024 taxes option. This ensures you're looking at the right tax year for your AGI. Next, head to the Review section. This is where TurboTax helps you double check all the information you've entered. Click on Check My Return. You may need to click. Continue multiple times as TurboTax walks you through prompts to verify your data and resolve any errors. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Once the review process is complete, keep clicking. Continue until you reach the summary pages. This section provides a clear overview of your tax return. Here, look for the taxable income section. Finally, within taxable income, you'll see adjusted gross income. Click on it, and just like that, your AGI number will be displayed. This is the figure you'll need for things like e-filing your next tax return, applying for loans, or confirming your tax details. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to finding your AGI on TurboTax. I hope this makes your tax life a lot easier. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tax tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.